Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
My name is
My name is
Sushant Mondol.
Misnasi Vishwas.
তোমরা তোমাদের নাম বলো, তোমরা তোমাদের মতো করে বলো। বলো।
Misnasi Vishwas.
Yeah. I'm a student of
I'm a student of
this school.
this school.
The name of this school is
The name of this school is
Khorak Shiksha Niketan.
Khorak Shiksha Niketan.
This is a beautiful school.
This is a beautiful school.
Yeah. There are
There are
11 teachers
11 teachers
in this school.
in this school.
There are
There are
10 classrooms
10 classrooms
in this school.
in this school.
There is a
There is a
beautiful playground
beautiful playground
in this school.
in this school.
There are
There are
many trees
many trees
in this school.
in this school.
The environment
Environment
of this school
of this school
is very beautiful.
is very beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
হাততালি। এটা করে আসতে যাবে তো? কঠিন লেগেছে? পারবি তো? আমি যদি লিখে লিখেও দিয়ে দিই যে এরপরে এইটা আছে এরপরে এইটা আছে, তোরা পারবি না? এবং ভিডিওটাও পাঠাচ্ছি।